Hello, and welcome to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host, Jessica, Marketing Director for The Blueprint. Today we'll be doing a quick 2-minute overview on the DS404 Multi-Inlet Docking Station from GfG Instrumentation, Inc. The DS404 is an automatic test station with 4 test gas ports for carrying out bump tests and for calibration of the 0 point and sensitivity of the sensors of the G450 and G460 multi-gas detectors. The operation of the DS404 multi-inlet docking station couldn't be any easier. Simply place the G450 or G460 multi-gas detector in the dock and the system will take over from there. The DS404 automatically performs a full function test including fresh air calibration, bump tests, extensive sensor tests, alarm tests, and optionally performs an automatic auto-cal calibration. The DS404 is designed to go beyond the traditional basic docking station tests and includes sensor diagnostic tests such as T50 and T90. After all tests have been completed, the DS404 will automatically start the charging process of the detector, or you may remove it and begin using it. The DS404 docking station can retain as many as 2 million complete diagnostics with maximum memory installed. That's over 50 years of data, even if testing 100 detectors every single day. With the flexibility of 4 test gas ports and the ability to cascade multi-docking stations, the DS404 docking station is a premier accessory to the G450 and G460 gas monitors. Want to learn more about the DS404 multi-inlet docking station from GfG? Give us a call or check out our website, teamblueprint.com, to locate your nearest Blueprint representative for more information. Thanks for tuning into this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host, Jessica, and we'll see you on the next one.